Hey everyone, so today I wanted to go ahead and let you know I am extending the giveaway dates. So today was supposed to be the last day that you could go ahead and enter in, but let's go ahead and extend that to next Friday. So I'm giving you one extra week just because I want to get more followers and I want to have more people join in on this. So be sure to share this video and let people know that we are doing a giveaway with 2 prizes for 2 winners, all right? Or a prize for 2 winners, you know what I mean. Okay, so let's go ahead and prep our eyes. I'm using a matte eye primer from Ulta. I'm just gonna use my finger today. I'm gonna be working off the Morphe palette, the 35M, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put some orange here in the crease, in the corner. I'm going to be working off the Morphe 35B palette as well. Take some of this bright orange in this palette and really put that in there. Alright. And then back on the 35M palette, take some black and we're gonna hit corner. Alright, and then right in between those 2 colors, I'm going in with more of a maroony color. Can you see it there? That one. And I'm actually gonna go in and touch up with some of that black. Really make it stand out there. So I have also been spraying my Prep and Prime Fix It Plus on my blending sponge. I really like that a lot better. Go ahead and put on some concealer. Oops. Alright, and let's set our face real quick. And then we can go in and do our eyebrows and touch up our shadow. Man, you can really see my roots today. And then we'll go in with the champagne pop. You know, that's my favorite. And we're gonna actually put that a little bit underneath our brow bones as well as our usual highlight areas. And then we'll go ahead and blend that out into each other. Let's blend our face. And today I am going to use this Stila dual-ended waterproof eyeliner. Go in with the micro side first. Gonna hit our waterline with a black pencil real quick. Okay, so I just went ahead and put on some lashes, and I think I'm gonna go in on my lips with the McGrath. It's Flush 3. It's a little mini set I got of their lipsticks not that long ago. All right, guys, I know I went a little dark for today's look, but I like it. Hopefully you do too. You know, it's pretty easy and really not much to it. So I did want to also remind you that I am extending the giveaway dates, so you have an extra week to go ahead and enter into that. Yeah, so good luck. Like I said, I just wanted to get some extra people in there and hopefully get some more followers, subscribers, and all of that. I want to make it more fun, so it's just not just a couple of you going in and, you know, trying to win this. Like I said, here is one of them. This is one prize, and I am going to let you guys pick which ones you want. So this is the Ulta bag, and then I know it looks big, but I don't know, just yeah. This is from Beauty Creations, the website. The mystery box that doesn't actually come in a box, so if that makes sense to you. So So those are the prizes. So don't forget to comment done once you have followed and subscribed and liked everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and want to see more. Thanks guys, I will see you next time.